Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with the winner's drawing video for the Grunge Art Challenges. We did challenges during the month of January. 3 weeks we had different challenges working with Grunge freebies or kits, and the 4th week, as you can see on this image, was finishing off all the projects and enter in all 5 Facebook groups. The other 4 Facebook groups besides LineDotArrow are Haystack Crafty Corner, Choose Sister Jam, Sweet Pea Papers, and Grunge Journal Tutorials are more, and they are hosting these challenges too. Well, they hosted this one and they are going to host the next month challenges too. And what that means is that you can enter in those Facebook groups too and win a prize over there too in their drawings. So there will be 5 drawings per Facebook group. There will be a drawing. So you have a lot of chance of winning digitals in this case. Sometimes we do have physical prizes. Sometimes it's a combination. But most of the time it is digitals, so you can create more fun stuff. So I'm going to do the spinning. Let me quickly switch over to the wheel. So here we have the wheel with all the names in it, and I'm going to spin 3 times. When your name pops off and you are a winner, your name is going to be removed from the whole wheel. That way everybody can win. I'm going to spin for the first prize first, so everybody has a chance on winning the first prize. Then I'm going to spin for the second prize, and then I'm going to spin for the third prize. I received a message from Mel Cockburn. She said, if my name pops up, please spin again because I already won in the other groups. I did leave her in because I could have taken her out too, but I think it's fun that she is giving a chance to win, her a chance of winning to somebody else. So when that happens, I will remove Mel's name from the wheel and then spin again for the real winner. So thank you very much, Mel, for doing that. And of course I will honor what you asked me to do. So yeah, I'm going to spin, like I said, for the first prize, and it is 3 digitals. I'm not sure if you can hear, but I'm very short on my breath. I have a very high fever. My husband is ill since Monday, Tuesday, and he went to the doctor and he had blood work done, and the level of inflammation, I think well, when it's still okay, it's around 10, and he had 85, so it was extremely high. And he has like penicillin and everything like that. I don't have that. I am not coughing like he is, but I have troubles with my ears, but I have a high fever. It's insane for days now. But at the moment, with the meds, paracetamol, I'm doing okay, so I can do a little video and do the drawing because I don't want to start next month with catching up on things that I should have done earlier. So I'm going to spin 3 times real quick so I can go back to bed. And the first spin is for the first prize, and that is 3 digitals from LineDotArrow Etsy store. And the first prize winner is Karen Garber. So congratulations, Karen. Send me a message and tell me which kit you want to receive. I'm going to remove your name completely from the wheel. And now I'm going to spin for the second prize winner. 2 digitals for my Etsy. Here we go. And the second prize winner is Lisa Fisher. And congratulations, Lisa. Send me a message and tell me which kit you want to receive. I'm going to remove your name from the wheel completely. And when we have done that, I'm going to spin for the final prize, the third prize. 1 digital from my Etsy. And I wish I set the wheel spinning a little shorter today because I really don't feel very well. But yeah, it's not too long. And the third prize winner is Sandra Dyer. Congratulations, Sandra. 1 digital from my Etsy. Send me a message and I can send it to you. Yeah, this is it for today. This was the name wheel picking, the name wheel spinning for the winners. If all goes well, I will have a video uploaded tomorrow where we start the new Shabby Your Art challenges. And it's a little bit different this time. It's not completely Valentine themed, although it's something with hearts, but it's more like using things from your stash, being creative in different ways. And of course you can do whatever you want using the digitals or the freebies and enter in the Facebook groups. But yeah, everything will be in the event section in each Facebook group, and of course there will be videos showing the new freebies. If all goes well, I will show them tomorrow. I'm not sure if I will be able to craft something with the freebies. I hope I can, but if not, I will do a short video showing you the freebies and tell you what is going to be the challenge for well, next week. Okay, everyone, thank you very much for joining in. I really love seeing all your grungy art thingies. Some of you even said never done this, not their style, not their thing they want to do. And I have to say, some did amaze me. It was like, are you sure it's not your style? Because it was absolutely so well done. So yeah, I really appreciate that some of you even tried, even though they didn't like it. So, but I'm not going to do grunge a lot. So next month we have florals and flowers and shabby and pinks and blues and teals. So away with the grunge. But you can make that grungy too, by the way, if you want. Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye-bye. Bye.